Best credit card of 2023. Are you searching for the best credit card of 2023? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to walk you through the different options that are available on the market and help you find the perfect one for your needs. So don't miss out. Check out our video. Understanding credit cards. First, let's start with the basics. A credit card is a payment tool that allows you to borrow money from the issuing bank to make purchases. It can be used for everything from paying for everyday expenses to booking a vacation. Types of credit cards. There are different types of credit cards, such as cashback cards, rewards cards, balance transfer cards, and travel cards. The best card for you depends on your spending habits and financial goals. The top credit cards of 2023. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a look at the top credit cards of 2023. Card 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred. First on our list is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card offers a generous sign-up bonus of 100,000 points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. The points can be redeemed for travel, dining, and more. The card also offers a 2x points per dollar spent on travel and dining, and 1x points per dollar spent on everything else. Card 2. Capital One Venture Rewards. Next, we have the Capital One Venture Rewards card. This card offers a generous sign-up bonus of 100,000 miles after you spend $20,000 in the first 12 months. The miles can be redeemed for travel, dining, and more. The card also offers 2x miles per dollar spent on every purchase. Card 3. Citi Double Cash. Third on our list is the Citi Double Cash card. This card offers 2% cash back on every purchase, 1% when you make the purchase, and 1% when you pay it off. There's no annual fee, making it a great option for those looking for a simple cashback card. Card 4. Platinum Card from American Express. Fourth on our list is the Platinum Card from American Express. This card offers a generous sign-up bonus of 100,000 points after you spend $5,000 in the first 3 months. The points can be redeemed for travel, dining, and more. The card also offers 5x points per dollar spent on flights booked directly with airlines or with American Express Travel, and on prepaid hotels booked on amextravel.com. Card 5. Wells Fargo Propel American Express card. Finally, we have the Wells Fargo Propel American Express card. This card offers a generous sign-up bonus of 20,000 points after you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. The points can be redeemed for travel, dining, and more. The card also offers 3x points per dollar spent on travel, dining, and popular streaming services, and 1x points per dollar spent on everything else. Choosing the right credit card. Now that we've discussed the top credit cards of 2023, let's talk about how to choose the right card for you. Choosing the right credit card. When choosing a credit card, consider factors such as rewards, sign-up bonuses. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.